diplomatic relations with leaders with that. Oo, di ba? At siguro yung study po sa ICT will be that in the Netherlands. So, you know, hindi lang po naman yan sa legalidad.